All right, guys, I bought this 3M tape, and this is the one in the 1/4 inch width, and they had it in several different widths. I bought this because I have like a trim cover, like molding cover that's chrome on my truck that's kind of coming off, and I want to put it back on. So I'm going to show you what it looks like coming out of the box, and then I'll show you putting it on and let you know if it works. But 3M is the same stuff that they use when you buy the new panels and you just stick it on your car. So this is what it comes with, an application guide. Okay. There you go. 3M, 1/4 inch, not a whole lot to say about it. And I mean, this stuff is industrial grade sticky, which of course, if it's going on your vehicle, you're gonna need that. And it's double-sided. So by the way, if you're new here, I try to find problems in my real life and fix them with Amazon products. And then I come on here and I let you know, did it work? So let's go find out. Okay, so you guys see how, hello, it's like flapping in the wind. So we're gonna use this, fix it. Closer. I just want you to get like, see guys how it's already stuck on here. I just have to do this end piece right here. All right guys, and in an ideal world, you would want to make sure this was done a lot better, but this is literally a temporary fix because I'm putting new panels on in the fall. So we're just literally, but it gets stickier the longer that it sits, like everything else. So just go back through and y'all can see this is why I have to replace them because the panels are like chipped off.